students. Today we can learn about the immunity. Immunity, it is the ability or capacity of a body to recognize, neutralize or destroy the foreign particle and protect the body from infection. There are two types of the immunity present in our body. The first type of immunity is the innate or inborn immunity. And the second type of the immunity is the acquired immunity or adaptive immunity. The difference between the two immunities, that is nothing but the innate immunity and acquired immunity, is the innate immunity is the type of immunity which is present from birth, and the acquired immunity is the type of immunity which is acquired after the birth. Second difference between the innate immunity and acquired immunity is the innate immunity is the inheritable, means it can transfer from parents to their offsprings, but acquired immunity is non-heritable, it does not transfer from parents to offspring. Acquired immunity is acquired during the lifetime by the body. The third difference between the innate immunity is non-specific immunity. It can act against a vast variety of pathogens, but acquired immunity is specific immunity. It can act against the particular pathogen. Next difference is the contact with pathogen is not necessary in the innate immunity, but contact with pathogen is necessary in the acquired immunity. Last difference between the innate immunity and acquired immunity is it is long-term immunity and the acquired immunity is short-term immunity. All these differences are present in the innate immunity and acquired immunity because the innate immunity consists the four barriers in that: physical, anatomical, physiological, and inflammatory barriers. All these barriers consist different organs and different physiological things which are present from birth. That is nothing but the skin, mucous membrane. These are the anatomical barriers. Body temperature, different types of enzymes. These are the physiological barriers. Different types of phagocytic cells. These are the phagocytic barriers or cellular barriers. And inflammatory barriers are also present in our body from our birth. But in the acquired immunity, this immunity is acquired during the lifetime. When any type of infection is to the body produce different types of antibodies during the lifetime. That's why this type of immunity becomes acquired during the lifetime. That's why the innate immunity present from the birth and the acquired immunity is acquired after the birth. All these things, for example, skin, mucous membrane, all these things are genetical characters which are transferred from parents to their offsprings. But the different types of antibodies which are produced in the body is particular by the organism. That's why the innate immunity is the non-specific and the acquired immunity is the specific immunity. In innate immunity, these barriers can act against at any time at any pathogen. That's why contact with pathogen is not necessary, but for the production of antibodies, the contact with the pathogen is necessary in the acquired immunity. All things which are present in the innate immunity, for example, skin, mucous membrane, or any physiological barrier, body temperature, enzymes are always present in our body. That's why this immunity is long-term immunity. But different types of antibodies are produced and denatured within the short time. That's why acquired immunity is the short term immunity. Thank you.